Super easy trick to find number of geometrical and optical isomers in coordination compound. Well, I will teach you my personal trick to find geometrical and optical isomers in a very short period of time. Using my personal trick, I will show you cracking JEE main questions. Firstly, we will learn numbering ligands of different coordination numbers. In the first case, we will learn numbering ligands when the coordination number is 4. In the second case, we will learn numbering ligands when the coordination number is 6. For example, consider this case. We know that M is the central metal atom and A is the ligand. But the number of ligand is incorrect. Around the central metal atom, there are 4 ligands. So I write 4 as a subscript with this A. Now this is the correct way of writing ligands. Remember that I will not write M with the ligands, so that things are super easy. Secondly, consider this example. Here there are 2 ligands of A and 1 ligand of B. It is incorrect. I write A2 and B2. Now it is the correct way of writing ligand because 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 and its coordination number is satisfied. In the second case, let's consider this example. Here there are 2 ligands of A, 1 ligand of B and 1 ligand of C. I write A2, B2, C2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. There are total 6 ligands. Hence, it is the correct way of writing ligands. Here, you may be thinking that we can also write these ligands as A2, B3, C1. 2 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 6. But it is wrong way. Because we start numbering ligands from lower digit, like 1, 1, then 2, 2, then 3, 3. So remember this important point. Secondly, consider this example. There are 3 ligands of A and 1 ligand of B. I write A3, B2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. It is not equal to 6. So I write B3. Now 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Hence it is the correct way of writing ligands. Thus using this easy method, we can easily write ligands of different coordination numbers. Now I will teach you my personal trick to find geometrical isomers and optical isomers of tetrahedral and square planar complexes. Remember that their coordination number is 4. We know that in tetrahedral geometry, the hybridization of complexes is sp3. Now listen carefully. I write A. I write 2 times A2. A2, A2. Then I write A3. And lastly A4. Here I write BCD. Now I remove one alphabet successively. I remove this D. I write here BC. I remove this C. I write here B. And I also write here B. In the first case, the number of ligands is 4. In the second case, the number of ligands is 4. In the third case, there are 3 ligands. I write here 2. In the fourth case, the number of ligands is complete. And in the fifth case, the number of ligands is also complete. Thus, these are the 5 different possible complexes of tetrahedral geometry. Now we will find the geometrical and optical isomers of tetrahedral complexes. To find it, I always teach this cheat code. I write 0-1. This 0 means all the geometrical isomers are 0. Let me repeat it. This 0 means all the geometrical isomers are 0. Thus I write 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Thus tetrahedral complexes do not show geometrical isomerism. Secondly, this one means the first complex has one optical isomer and remaining complexes have no optical isomers. I write 1 and then I write 0, 0, 0 and 0. Thus except A, B, C, D complexes, all the complexes have no optical isomers. Therefore, using this 0-1 cheat code, we can easily find the geometrical isomers and optical isomers of any tetrahedral complex. Now we will find the geometrical and optical isomers of square planar complexes. We know that in square planar, the hybridization of complexes is DSP2. Now I write the ligand part. As usual, I write A, I write 2 times A2, A2, A2. I write A3 and I write A4. Here I write BCD. I remove one alphabet successively. I remove this D. I write here BC. I remove this C. I write here B and I also write here B. Now I number the ligand to fulfill its coordination number. The first 2 are correct. In the third case, I write here 2. The fourth and the fifth are correct. Thus these are the ligands of square planar geometry. Now we will find the geometrical and optical isomers of square planar geometry. To find it, I always teach this cheat code. I write 322-0. This 322 means geometrical isomers and this 0 means optical isomers. I write 322. What about the fourth and the fifth case? There is no other number present. I write 00. Thus these are the geometrical isomers of these complexes. In case of optical isomers, this 0 reminds me 0 optical isomers of square planar geometry. I write 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. To conclude this whole concept, we learn that except this ABCD of tetrahedral, neither square planar nor tetrahedral complexes show optical isomerism. Let me repeat it. Except this ABCD of tetrahedral, neither square planar nor tetrahedral complexes show optical isomerism. Secondly, A3b and A4 neither show geometrical isomerism nor optical isomerism. Hence note down these important points. Now I will use this trick to crack JEE main question. Consider this MCQs. The number of geometric isomers that can exist for square planar is dash. Well, we know that platinum is a metal atom M. Chlorine is like A, pyridine is like B, NH3 is like C, ammonium hydroxide is like D. According to the trick, if the ligands are ABCD, its geometrical isomers are 3. So the geometrical isomers of this complexes is 3. Thus the correct option is B. Therefore, using my personal trick, we can easily crack question of geometrical isomers and optical isomers. Hence note it down. Now I will teach you my personal trick to find geometrical isomers and optical isomers of octahedral complexes. We know that the coordination number of octahedral complexes is 6. Remember that there are 11 complexes possible in octahedral geometry. Now listen carefully. I write A. I write 3 times A2, 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 A2. I write 3 times A3, 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 A3. I write 2 times A4, A4, A4. Finally, I write A5 and A6. These are the 11 complexes of octahedral geometry. Remember that I have divided these 11 structures into categories. Now I write B, C, D, E, F. I remove the F alphabet. I write B, C, D, E with A2. I remove the E alphabet. I write B, C, D with A3. I remove the D alphabet. I write B, C with A4. I remove the C alphabet. I write B with A5. Now listen carefully. I will remove last alphabet successively in each category. In this category, I remove E. I write BCD, then I write BC. In this category, I remove D. I write BC, then I write B. In this category, I remove C. I write B. Now I will number the ligands to complete its coordination number. I write 2, then 2, 2. I write 2, then 3. I write 2. Hence these are the 11 possible structures of octahedral complexes. Now what about their geometrical, optical and total isomers? Well, it is super easy. This F reminds me 15. Let me repeat it. This F reminds me 15. So I write here 15. This E reminds me 9. So I write here 9. Now 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. I write here 6. I go down from 6. 5, 4, 3, 2. I repeat 2 times 2, 2, 2. The last 2 are 0, 0. These are the geometrical isomers of octahedral complexes. Now what about their optical isomers? As usual, we do not consider the optical isomers of first 2 cases. Now we start optical isomers from this complex. We can see that there are 4 alphabets present in it. A, B, C, D. I write here 4. Secondly, there are 2 times 2 digit present as a subscript. I write here 2, 2. The remaining complexes have no optical isomers. I write 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. These are the optical isomers of the octahedral complexes. Lastly, what about total isomers of these complexes? We can see that here these 3 complexes show optical isomers. I make them half. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, and 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Now 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. This 2 means subtract this 2 from the total number. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. I get 8 isomers. Thus this complex has 8 isomers. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. This one means subtract 1 from the 7. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. I get 6 isomers. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. I minus 1 from 8. I get 5 isomers. The remaining are 3 plus 0 is equal to 3, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, and then 0, 0. These are the total isomers of these complexes. Thus, using this trick, we can easily find geometrical isomers and optical isomers in coordination compounds.